Welcome to the new episode of Multimedia and Front Page. In this session, I am going to demonstrate how to add different photographs, right, or the images to your web page. So, in my previous session, I have discussed about how to create a basic web page without any coding, and basically this front page is like similar to the Microsoft Word, because you just have to add the block and you have to just write the content, right. Right now we just design the web page. So in my previous video I have added the image, I have added the title, right. I have prepared the hyperlinks, right. So the menu panel also I have prepared, and the content area I have kept here, right. So as you can see that it's a very simple logic, no need to write any code. But if you want to write some code, right, so in after this section, I mean before the status bar, you have this panel. So right now we are working with design. So if you move to the code, so you will get the code of the HTML, in which it shows the actual code whatever you have designed. So as per that design, it shows the appropriate code, right. And here it is, there is a frame set I have prepared, right. So as per that, all the code is prepared by the Microsoft front page. You don't need to write any code, and if you know the codes, so not an issue. You can also you can say you can also uh, added this code, right, and you can check the output. And the next, that is the preview. So this is the preview panel, so it shows how exactly it looks on the web browser. So when I'll click on the web browser, I mean preview, you can see this about us content is not proper, so I need to add it. So I'll again go to the design tab, and I'll just see in design it looks properly, but in preview it won't look proper, right. See, the arrangement of the code is different, so you have to make changes. Like I'll just slightly see now. Now let's check the preview. Now it's proper. Since I have not added the hyperlink, so that is why it won't, right. I have changed the color of the home tag, and this is preview, right. So in preview, right, the if the link is provided, so you can see your mouse pointer. If you mouse over to this link, so your pointer symbol will be changed. Instead of pointer, it looks like hand tool, right. So like that. And this is normal text. This home and about us is normal text, only the product is hyperlink. So let's move to the product page. In previous video I have also discussed how to select this photo gallery page, right. So if you forgot, so I'll just remind you that from the page you have to select the page, and from the frame page you have to select this photo gallery option, right, from the general option. See, so you'll get this page. Since I've already prepared it, so I'll just directly add it. So first of all, on the photo gallery, I'll just add my content, and instead of photo gallery I'll just make it uh, hmm instead of photo gallery, let's make it product gallery, right. So now I will change these options, that from the photo gallery option, let's add. So add from files, and I'll make it add, right? So first I will remove, because these all are the samples images. I don't want the sample images, my own chocolate images I want. So I have already downloaded from the internet. So you can see the 5 images I have added, and the layout, if you want, let's say the horizontal layout, montage, slideshow, and vertical layout. This looks better. Let's see how it looks. See, right? If you want to change, you can manage photo gallery, and from the layout, horizontal. Okay, see, right? So this is how you can add photo gallery. Right? So now one by one you can add it the image, and you can change the size. So you can see only the one image size is increased. So similarly you can many more. uh, by mistake I pressed I have pressed Control Z, so all the photo removed. I'll just make it again. Remove, add from file pictures, add all of this. Okay, add it. Next, if you want, you can, right? If you want to crop something, you can crop it, right? That, let's say you want only this much portion, so that will be also okay. So like that way you can get the image, right? And layout, let's say the vertical layout, that is okay. I'll click OK. Right now here you can add a text, right? You can insert the text beside the image, the font, the style you can apply and all. So it is exactly like Microsoft Word, right? The same thing you can design the Microsoft Word. I mean, the page you can design, but you won't get the HTML code. But here the advantages here, whatever you do, right, that converts automatically into the web page, right? And you will have, I mean, you don't need to write any code. That's the advantage of front page, right? I'll just save it, add all 5 images, and it is saved. right? If you want, you can move all of these images into the image folder, right? But my four main frames, I mean the banner, menu and content, that is for okay, but index and product, these two are the main page. Now let's move to the again index and go to the design. And for design, uh, before to uh, before to apply this, I'll just add no, close page. And what type of page I want for about us? So I want normal page, or the bibliography, the confirmation form, or the feedback form. So let's take feedback form, right? So for about us, I've already prepared the content and I'll just add it. About, right? If you want to change the case, so that is in, I think that is in font. Yes, that is in font and italic, underline, caps, bold. I think Times New Roman is better, right? Bold with points. Let's say format. So format painter option is also available here, so you can see that. Chocolate factory, right? Okay, so now you have the feedback form. Tell us what you want to think about our website, the product, our organization, anything else. What kind of comments would you like to send, right? Complaint, problem, and the website and other. Enter your comments, all are good. How to get in touch, right? So author information goes here. Let's say copyright, so we'll just make it, added this copyright, it's too good, 2021. Organization name, that is chocolate factory. All right, reserved. And let's say revised on the date format. Okay, right? So let's go to the preview panel. See, now if you want to update the colors and all, so you can. So format, background, and add the color theme which I have selected, or the image or any theme also you can apply, not an issue, right? If you want to add some image, so you can, let's say insert picture, and from file, what file you want, let's say the this, right? I'll change the wrapping option, picture property, and this is like right. Okay, if you want you can resize it, if you want you can, or as a background also you can add it, not an issue, right? So this is how you can add image. So from the format you can add paragraph, you can add bullets, right? Any paragraph if you want to add, let's say here you want to add some paragraph, and for paragraph, adding paragraph, you want to add some indentation, margins, and before after spacing and all, right? So after that, so paragraph settings you can apply from the format, bullets and numbering, right? Then the layer, theme, the styles, right? Which type of style you want to apply, so which type of tags, because all the HTML tags you can add as a style, so you can, right? So that is how you can use format menu. I have already discussed how to add background. Similarly you can use theme, you can add layers if you want to add some layers. Let's say you want to draw something, so one section if you want to add here, so you can. Let's say here you want to apply some marquee effect, right? Some marquee news flash, so you can apply here, and you have to apply the tag for that, right? So if you know, you can add it to the add it from the you can go to the code and you can apply the marquee tag here, right? So using that you can apply the rotation effect. Sorry, go to the design. From the tools you can check your spelling, right? If you want you can ignore it, ignore, 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 change. Okay, right? So from tools you have spell check option and all. You can add table if you want to add table and something, right? So let's say table, how many rows and columns, alignment, float, cell spacing, padding, right? So if you know the basic HTML tags, so that becomes much easy to design the web page. Here see, 2 by 2, 2 row and 2 column table I have also inserted, right? So that is all about this. And here we have all the font option, right? So if you can easily format your content, let's say if you want to add italic effect, right? So you can apply. Okay, so I'll just now save this. What is the name of the file? So I'll just make it instead of about us dot html. You need to add image to this page, yes, right? So now my 3 web page is prepared. Let's preview this. So first is index page, right? The second is product page, preview, and the third is about us page. Now on the index page you need to add the hyperlink, so I'll just select, right click, hyperlink, right, existing file, about us.htm. okay, so now this is also about us. Right. Okay, one more thing in insert, if you want to add some form type of you know, I hope you know what is form, because in form you can insert content and all. I'll just move to the design. Okay, cursor is there. So now let's insert form, and from the form tag, like let's say text box if you want to add, some radio button if you want to add. So whatever the that feedback form you that is from the template which is provided by the Microsoft front page. So I have just directly included the prepared feedback form, but if you want you can add form element, like let's say option button, submit or reset. Let's preview this, right? Submit, reset option, move to the code, right? So here you can get it. Now where see, here you will get this button code. Right, so this is the content page, the content frame, and in the content frame we have added that button, this, right? So the code is also added. We have menu section, so in menu, right, the product.html is there, same way about us.htm, and the last is banner, so that is the third frame. So in index htm, this is the index htm, there is 3 frames. I'll show you. So this is your banner, this file is my banner.html, the top frame, the left frame that is menu.htm, and this is the content.html. So basically I got 3 page: index page, about us page, and the product page. So that's it. Now I hope you people are clear and you can design your website, you can edit it, you can style it, you can format it. It's so easy. I hope you people are now very much clear about the front page topic. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet soon in the next session.